Now, this is what he recorded about our people around the 1650s, 1660s. This is what he said. He said, many Jews are scattered in this region. Some natives who boast that they are the descendants of Abraham, or the seeds of Abraham in his own words. And you find them on both sides of the river Niger. That was what he recorded about our people in the year. This book was published 1670. That was also recorded almost 400 years ago. I'm not reading it word for word. I'm just reading it in general. Many Jews are to be found in this area. Some natives, that is, they are blacks, who boast that they are the seeds of Abraham, and they are to be found, or they are living on both sides of the river Niger. That is the part that is talking about our own people.